Hello everybody, this is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bee's menu, we are making wheat yeast rolls. These rolls guys is a combination of whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. They are soft, fluffy, golden. The rolls are light and have a delicate flavor. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. For this recipe, you are going to need all-purpose flour, white wheat flour, vegetable or canola oil, salt, sugar, yeast, and warm water. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add water along with oil. Then dissolve yeast in warm water. Next, you're gonna add sugar, salt, add all-purpose flour and white wheat flour. Use a wooden spoon, beat until smooth. Once the flour is moistened, we're gonna lightly flour our working surface. Turn dough onto a floured surface. Knead until smooth and elastic. About 5 to 8 minutes. Shape into a round ball. Place on a greased bowl. Then cover with a kitchen cloth and let rise in a warm place until doubled, about 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. Punch down. Divide the dough into 12 pieces, just like so guys. Shape into rolls. Just like so guys. These rolls are so easy and they are so good guys. Place 3 inches apart on a parchment lined baking sheet. Cover and let them rise for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our wheat yeast rolls are out of the oven. Look how golden and beautiful they look guys. It smells so good in here. Cool them on a wire rack. There you have it guys, wheat yeast rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my